Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Look at this. There is a goat that is eating food at the moment. There are different breeds of them in the village. This is a small garden. It is summertime. The fresh leaves of the plants are also coming out. Mashallah, this is cute little buffalo. Even the flies are bothering him. The most beloved sight of the village are these chickens. This is a very cute breed of the birds. They are white color birds. This is a male chicken. These chicken are eating small insects from the earth. The baby buffalo is also eating food. Mashallah, it is a small garden. It has different kinds of fruit like these lemon. This fruit is always there for him. Throughout the year, these lemon are with him, and this is a orange planted. How many love one are attached to it. Look, this up is small lemon plant with lots of lemon attached to it. Mashallah, lots of lemon. The guava plant just beginning to bear fruit. To watch similar video of the village, please subscribe our YouTube channel.